Hey guys, welcome to GB's Academy. In this video, we'll see how to install WordPress in cPanel account. In this video, we will install WordPress under this domain, which is gwwwdemosites.com. First thing you need to do is log in into your cPanel account. Once you log in, search for SoftwareGloss app installer, or else just type here SO. Right. You can install WordPress from here as well, but this way within SoftwareGloss app installer is what is my preference. You can try this as well. So within SoftwareGloss app installer, you will have this option called as WordPress. Open this. You can just click on that, and here this is the wizard that will display all the installations, previous installations that you have right now. Right now, I have these many WordPress installations running in my server. Now I'm going to install one more WordPress. So here, click on install now. In this screen, you can select the version of WordPress that you want to install. Right now, 5.5.1 is the latest version as of the date of recording. So I'll install the latest version. You can install whatever version you want, right? So let me select 5.5.1. If your server, if your domain name or web hosting account is already linked with SSL certificate, you can select HTTPS, or else if it is not, then you might have to select HTTP or this option. Right now I have SSL installed, so I'll select this option, third one. And this is the main domain. If you have any subdomains in your server, it will show up here. If you have any add-on domains, it will show up here. Right now I have these one subdomain and one main domain. I'll be installing WordPress here itself. And here you need to mention path. Let's say if you want to install WordPress within some subdirectory called test or something like that. Even if the directory isn't present in your server, it will create one and install WordPress within that. You can do if it is required. Right now I want to install directly under gwww.demosites.com. Here you can specify the name of your site. Here you can specify the description. However, you can change all these details later on, so I'll leave it as it is. And here you might want to add the password for login once the WordPress is installed, right? And this is the admin email. I'll just leave it as it is. And then here you can select the plugins. Right now we don't have to do it, all these things, or it can be done later on once the WordPress is installed. And you can ignore this, and in case you want to send the login credentials to someone, if say like this is your server and you want to install WordPress and send details to your developer, you might want to add your developer's email address here. So right now it's not required for me. I'll just click on install. Just wait for 1 to 2 minutes based on your internet speed. It will get installed. Just hold on. Alright, so WordPress has been successfully installed. We got this beautiful message over here, and there are two links that are being displayed right now. This is the link where we have installed it. Previously, if you remember, if we visit this domain, we used to get this page. Now when we have installed WordPress, let's open this again, and here you can see WordPress has been installed successfully. So front end is working perfectly fine, and let me see if I can log in into backend as well. The second URL is the administration URL, or else you can say you can log in into your admin panel of your WordPress with this link. Right. So sometimes if there is any mistake, or this if there is any misconfiguration, you will not be able to log in into your backend panel. I'm able to log in into my backend, as well as I can see the front end is working, both are working fine. So I can assume that, I can consider that WordPress has been successfully installed. Now we can go ahead and install themes, plugins, and settings, pages, posts, whatever we want. So this is it for this video, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.